My name is Alana Nogueda, and I am from the Shameful Tiki Room, Toronto. I'm an awkward person sometimes, and I had two guests come in, and one of them has been here before, and the other guest has never been here before. And she was like, I've always wanted to try tiki cocktails, but so many tiki cocktails contain lots of nuts. And I answered back to her, I'll give you something without nuts. And then half the bar started laughing, and I felt like a total dummy. So one of my go-tos is a classic Mai Tai, Trader Vic recipe in 1944. Obviously, because of restrictions in, say, the LCBO or whatnot, we don't have access to a lot of rums in general, but lots of different spirits. So for this Mai Tai, we're using an ounce of Jamaican rum, Appleton Estate, 1 ounce of Bacardi Superior, half an ounce orange liqueur, we're using Cointreau, fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce, 1/4 ounce of a 1-to-1 simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of a house-made orgeat, which is a almond syrup, blanched almonds. We steep it for 2 days. You get that nice milk, and then you add either vodka or brandy. We use brandy, rose water, or orange flower water. We use orange flower water. You get this beautiful almond syrup. We use pebbled ice. Not every home has a machine like this, so doing a nice 30-second shake will do the same effect. Take a double old-fashioned glass. What we do, we take a spent lime wheel. Obviously, we squeeze our juice daily, so we take the spent lime wheel. We might as well use it as a garnish. We put a sugar cube in there. We add some Ray and Nephews on top. Take some fresh mint. Always taste your cocktail, because if you don't like it, no one else will.